Last October, I started looking around on the internet. Been in Mission Viejo 30 years. I've dropped 50 pounds. I feel better at 58 years old than I have since I was in my early 20s.
Been training with Dan for 6 months and found him on Yelp, believe it or not. Haven't missed any days and doing home workout regimen with him and feel great.
The past 3 months has been different from the other training experiences I have, namely because of the product that he's been able to put together at his gym. With Taryn, I get a lot of micro movement workouts. I find that with training with Taryn, while we don't do a lot of volume, I find I sweat as much with Taryn as I do during a spin class. With Dan, I get a combination of strength, cardio, and boxing.
I've had memberships to gyms before and all that, but quite frankly, the reason I started with them was because I wouldn't go. Having appointments with these guys, them making it kind of fun, actually gives me the motivation to do what I absolutely hate doing.
Sharon is the man. He's done wonders with my back. The progressive help with my back. I mean, it's just gotten better and better. It's still working really well. So I'm just going to keep doing it. Well, I'm 82 and I hope to just keep going. Get as much exercise as you can, but do it with a professional.
He actually stepped my game up. He really did that. The exercise that he's given me are very tailored to what I need as far as my fitness, as well as he's looking at my eating habits, which were horrible, but now are getting better over time because now I'm seeing some results and I feel like, yes, I do want to eat right. Yes, I do want to meet my goals in a specific amount of time.
Dan's an excellent trainer and he's brought in Russell in the last year or so, and Russell is doing an excellent job. I love working out with Russell too. When I come in here, Dan gives me excellent all over body workouts. He tailors the workouts to my needs. If I'm carrying an injury, he can audible and change the workout to suit whatever my needs are. And also he makes us aware of diets. I'm an airline pilot, I'm on the road a lot, so when I am gone, I really watch my diet, and Dan helps me a lot with that too.
I think what's unique that I've noticed is they're very psychologically minded. They're always checking in with you on how you're doing on a scale from 1 to 10, how much you believe that you can succeed. I sought out training because I'm going to Air Force Officer Training School, and so I set up my initial goals here and gave them the actual manual. So every week we've been actually doing a mock test. So Dan gave me good insights on how to breathe and really just how to get in my mind, because he said when he was in the military that's what helped him. Just don't focus on anything, just go as hard as you can for as long as you can. And so that's helped me kind of get into the mindset that I know that I'll need to be in.